Okay, well, I'm out here on a Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna put up my X Mid that I just got this week, and so I'll show you what it looks like. This is me unboxing my X Mid Pro Dyneema tent for the first time, so bear with me. First time out of the bag. Came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tent stakes right here. And so we're gonna start with those. And of course, I forgot my trekking poles. Back with my trekking pole, so let's keep on going. Okay, so I can pull those down. I don't have the stakes in all the way, but let's go ahead and look and see what it looks like inside. See if I can unzip this. Whoops. Okay, well, here's the look at the bathtub inside. Obviously I need to make that side a little bit tighter, but looks pretty good in there. So, and it's got the vents right here that you can take, sure you can, and go right here for some air vent, and on the other side as well, right here. So, and it's, whoops, gotta use the Velcro, right? There we go. All right, so it shows you the, and then it's got some things to tie off on. Another one right there. One at the corner here. And then I can take this and put it down to the ground as well. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I really just wanted to see what the tent looked like and how easy it was to set up. And I'm gonna say it was pretty doggone easy. So there you have it. My new X Mid. Well, I am sitting inside. I'm sitting right in the middle, but I don't know if you can see the distance of my headroom. I am just under 6 feet. So if I don't know if you can see or not, but if I lay down, my gosh, the sun is so bright. I'm in Florida. I've got a pretty good distance here. I've got a lot of room on my sides, and then my feet aren't even coming close to the end either. So I think it's good. It's not a whole lot. It doesn't feel like it's much smaller than my first two-person X Mid. There is, and I didn't notice this, but let me flip this around. Right here, you can pull that out on the and make this a little bit longer as far as the netting goes. So you can go out here and it looks like that. I kind of like that. I didn't have that in my last one. So see how that works. Can't wait to use it. Florida heat, I'm sweating like a crazy person, but I got it back in the bag pretty easy, easier than my two-person. So yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to use it.